Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm glad you came back to my channel. Today's adventure is going to be a walking adventure on pavement. We're going to go to one of these places. We're hoping to find another hidden gem. Yeah, we're hoping to. We're going to a place called Dillsboro, Indiana. I've been to Dillsboro a lot, so has my wife. But the park we're going to, we've never been to. We don't know what to expect. We don't even know if they have a halfway decent walking trail. We're just assuming from what we can see online. Weather today is cold, still extremely windy. So it's too windy to take a trail, too windy to kayak. And you know what? It's kind of too windy to even go fish. So we're doing adventures on walking trails. They're still fun. Alright guys, I'm in shorts, my hoodie. I even have gloves and a toboggan in the back of my hatchback. I'm prepared. Let's go see what Dillsboro Community Park has to offer. Okay, we're here, and I have to say I am really surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be as big as it is, but we're going to walk the whole thing. And yeah, I got gloves because holding this selfie stick, it's metal and it freezes your hands off. It's a little nippy out here. It's about 45 degrees. You know what's funny about that is, you get me in summertime, wintertime, about January, and you tell me it's 45 degrees, I'd be like, it's a dang heat wave. Alright guys, let's get some Dillsboro Community Park walking trail. Let's get some beauty. It's a hidden gem. It's what I was hoping it would be. It's quite nice up here. What is it with these towns that having these absolutely beautiful walking trails? And our town, well, our town does have a walking trail. And it's beautiful, but it's an out and back. Out and backs ain't bad, but I like something that circles back around. I don't like to go back over the same stuff I walked, if you know what I mean. I like something where, see, out in the back you kind of get robbed because you see the same scenery coming back. I like something that's going to circle around. My God, this is beautiful. Holy. Alright, we're going to get some more beauty and yeah. See, it's hard to videotape when you do a walking trail. Because I try to pick things that is really, you know, something that stands out, but I gotta keep reminding myself it's okay if I get a ballpark on here. It's okay if I get a swing set. You know, it ain't all gonna have trees and the beauty I'm used to. But that's okay, there's a big, beautiful open field over there. Look at that. I was just telling Angie, hey, there's no wind. I haven't really felt any significant wind. And so we start walking down this side. Here's the wind. It's not that bad right now. But it's supposed to gust up to 33 miles to 40 miles today. Let's hope they're mistaken on that. But I'm here to tell you, Dillsboro Trails knocked it out of the park. Holy, it's one of them hidden gems. We've never been here. This is our first time. And yeah, it's quite the circle. I like it. I think we're only halfway done with the circle, actually. We still got that whole part yet to do. It's quite the walk. It's beautiful. Heck yeah, thumbs up Dillsboro. Carry on. It may not have no fancy lakes. It may not be loaded with a lot of trees, but it definitely is nice. Dillsboro walking trail, guys. Dillsboro, Indiana. Making faces behind me?
Nope. No.
Real quick, I've been doing there's something running over there. That's a squirrel. I can't tell. It's a little big for a squirrel.
Where?
Right over yonder. Right over by them trees. But anyway.
Yep, that's a squirrel.
Oh, it looks a little big from here. I've been trying to use a lot of my thumbnails. I'm doing the pictures with my cell phone, my iPhone. My problem is I'm having troubles getting that iPhone on my computer, the pictures. I've never really done that before, so it's going to take trial and error. I'm doing the picture 16 by 9. I want a big enough picture where it's a lot of resolution, where my picture will pop. That way I can do what I do to the thumbnails. So if the thumbnails start looking a little bit wopsy, understand that's what I'm trying to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna give my closing thoughts here. I was gonna do it from the handheld inside, but you know what? Nah, we're just gonna give them here. Dillsboro walking trail. What do you guys think? Leave me comments down below. Until next time, adventure's adventure. It doesn't matter if we walk through the woods, a forest, or even a beautiful place like this. Adventure's adventure, man. I say all in all, we did about 1.5 miles around. Not a long trail, but still, 1.5 miles is 1.5 miles. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll see you on the next adventure.